College bani fibro sachsen pat kanton biang sakaway kaching mare ashalong kande ka las chimara jong tau snema tiang nong baron arjar arsan organized by Senraj Niam Tri Shalong to commemorate 163 death anniversary of U Kiang Nong Pa. The run is open to all and will feature the following categories for both male and female. Tang ni pe kene kade Shalong ma kan ha. Tin pe kategori kan don ka 10 kilometer bat ka 1 kilometer. 10K open category male and female. Taken ai banikong prajar ba ars hajar ba lai hajar but consolation prize ke balong pasau pesan kemut tang arngut consolation prize mar hajar tengka. 10K open category above 50 years male and female. Mama kade nam ta ki ba san post ne majrong. Te banikong kan ai sahajar ba ar hajar ba lai ar hajar but ki bayo consolation basau basan ken yo hajar. Tenam taga 5K 1 kilometer open category male and female kan don tang open category kenai banikong 1,000 ba ar lai hajar balai ar hajar bat basau basan mar hajar te kitu ki bakwa ban nisimanta nam taga ne ban register nam taga de jingmare te kiladap ai ru hande ke kande ka race map tem don kamre ka tu te hande da tho ba ka starting and finishing point kade ben po state central library compound Shillong kumbang yele mare man kapor Try pratip karon ka central library do kijinon kam nam tagane offline registration at the office of the Senraj Shillong with effect na do apply tarik hadu 8 December kana di offline registration mo arjar option during office hour last date of registration kan day 8 December hadu 100 baje chess number will be distributed on 27 December 8 December Hadu Khadway, Hadu Sawaji, Hapo State Central Library premises, Shillong with an entry fee of 100 Chispa Tinkas Kamawa. All finisher will be awarded a medallion and large refreshment for all participants after the run. Terhadap air ki kontak number, artali henelap ai, tapi laban kontak ki gini number, namta ki jingtip ki khamnya. Te kecing mare gandai, arf khandai tarik u December kan mawa mo. Te pila ban chibi bib number haka arfanyo te arfra resible arf khandai kadai ka singini kong starting and finishing point State Central Library compound Shillong date 29 December 2025 reporting time kadai indru baje step flag up kadai indru steng tes kan mau ta kapor te ka sabu ka registration link apo ka description ru te kadon ka offline registration ru kadon ka online registration ru te pila ban scan yune pila ban screenshot scan nengar shubu kaling ru apo description filaban page ne filaban shu lek daga offline registration apo office ru Senraj Shillong ru apply hadu arfandru tangine ki jemtep kulishubun